You're in the situation that you want to speed up or slow down some of your clips to highlight some special situation, some special happening. In Adobe Premiere, this is really easy to do. I'm in Adobe Premiere, and here I have my clip where a boat is sailing. What I could do now is right-click on it, speed and duration, and for example say I want to have it at double speed. And now it's really fast. The same I could do with slowing it down, that I say, okay, 50% of the time, and the end duration will be roughly 13 seconds. I click OK, and now you see it's really slow, but you have a stuttering here, because the problem is that my clip has originally the same amount of frames as my sequence. That means playing the clip with half of the speed, I have not enough frames, like 50% are now missing. What I can do now is right-click, time interpolation, optical flow. Now Premiere tries to calculate the missing frames. Also here the line turns red, that means I need to calculate, render it before I have the final result. And when I play it now here, you see it's way smoother. But what should I do when I only want to have one part of the clip slowed down? There, let's make it normal speed again, 100%. We can put it to frame sampling, and here I have my normal clip again. When I now zoom in, I have here my clip. If this video track is not big enough, you can hold the Alt key and then scroll with your mouse wheel to reduce or increase the size. Keep in mind you need to be with your cursor over the track. Let's make it bigger. Here I have now a line which by default changes the opacity. Like if I bring it down, it's darker. Right click, show clip frames, time remapping, speed. Now this one is the speed. When I move it up to 188%, it's way faster. Or I can hold it down. When I press and hold the Shift key, then I'm jumping in 5% steps. Let's make it back to 100. What I can do now is that when I say, okay, from here on, I want to slow it down, I can hold the Control key, and now I have here the plus. I click where I set a keyframe. Now let's go there. I see now the full boat. I hold Control again, press, and now I have 2 keyframes. That means each of these 3 segments I can change the speed individually. I hold Shift, go down to again 50%, and now I have here slow and fast again. Of course, time interpolation, optical flow, that it's not lagging to play. The problem now is that the jump is very hard. You jump directly from 100 to 50%. What you could do now is go with your mouse here over the keyframe and drag it. Same we can do here, that we say here. And now you see you have a speed ramp down and a speed ramp up. That means the speed is increased or decreased on a lower scale, not very hard. And now you see it's really slowing down slowly and then fast up again. If you want to fine tune it, you can zoom in a little bit, go click here between the spreaded keyframe, and here you have now this handle where you can click and hold with your left key, and if you rotate it, it changes to be more curvy. We do here the same. And now it feels really good. If I want to extend it, I can say, okay, I drag this more forward. And here you see in the preview picture, on the left side on 8:23, where is my keyframe starting? And on 9:11, where is my keyframe ending? So seeing for the position where it is. Impressive, and that's how really easy it goes. Of course, it could be a little bit micromanaging, very small tweaks to have it done if you have a big timeline. But on the other side, you are not in the need to cut this clip in multiple clips down and then tweak the speed on each clip individually. So here you can really keep it as one clip and then on some point speed it up or speed it down, decrease or increase the speed. And I hope this video helped you. If yes, please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new video.